Today, I'm gonna show you how to arrange these panels in OpenToonz so that you can match what I have in this video, because apparently there are people who doesn't know the basic use of a computer and are being rude to me in the comments that I didn't show them how to click and drag these windows around, and seriously, I just wanna... Anyway, hopefully this video will be helpful. You don't really need to follow the exact arrangement of my interface as long as you have the viewer, X sheet, style editor, palette, tools, and tool options. However, if they're not there, here's where you can find them. Go to Windows menu and you can find the names I just mentioned on the screen. Here, I even added arrows for you. Click them and they will pop out. Now, let's talk about rooms. So, rooms are these tabs right here on the top right of the app. So, if you click one of them, they have some default arrangements. So, for example, if I click cleanup, then that's its default arrangement. If you click drawing, it's like this, so on and so forth. You can also add a new room by clicking one of the tabs and choosing new room on the pop-out menu. I don't really recommend this because when you create a new room, you will start with nothing and it's gonna be even more confusing. So it's best to just modify these existing rooms. I usually just modify basic and not bother with the rest. But I'll modify cleanup for this demonstration. To click and drag windows around, do you see the tiny little bar with the window name on it? Click and hold this and you can just drag it around. We don't want this window around, so after we drag them off their default position, an X pops out in the corner and we can simply just click that and it's gone. Now, to replicate the arrangement I did in my previous OpenToonz videos, we're gonna put the X sheet on the right side of the interface. We already have the X sheet open here, and if you can't find it, just go to the Windows menu as I mentioned earlier. Click and drag the window on the right side until you see this pink bar appear. This means that it will snap the window on its side. We're gonna do the same on the palette on the bottom. Again, find them on the Windows menu so that it pops out, and let's just drag this down at the bottom until the pink bar appears. So the tools are already in the right position, and so is the tool option bar, so let's not worry about that. Let's put the style editor on the left side. Go to Windows menu again and click style editor and click and drag it to the edge of the toolbar. Now pay attention where the pink bar appears. If it appears on the left side of the tools, OpenToonz is gonna put it on the left side of the windows. What we want is for the pink bar to appear on the right side. So while you're dragging the window around, the pink bar changes length. If the pink bar is going all the way to the bottom, then the window will be positioned on the right side of the tool window like this, and the palette window at the bottom will make way for it. But if you notice the pink bar is shorter, the window will still be positioned on the right side of the tool window, but it will not go all the way to the bottom and will just stop by the top of the palette window. It doesn't really matter how you do this, but if you prefer it similarly to my own arrangement, do this. If you like to arrange the size of each window, position your cursor at the edge of the window you'd like to adjust until the cursor changes into this, and then just click and drag like so. So now that it's arranged the way we want it, we don't want to accidentally move it, so to lock them, just go to Windows menu, Workspace, and then click this lock window, so now they won't budge even if you try to click and drag. Anyway, that's it. That's how easy it is to arrange windows in OpenToonz, so stop whining and start animating, because if I ever see a comment like this in my video again, I will slap this video link on your reply so that you can watch this and I get more ad revenue. And if you pause that video to watch this video, then feel free to resume learning how to use OpenToonz by clicking this video right here.